So you finish installing your QRadar system. In this particular case, QRadar CE 733, but even on a regular QRadar. And on the log activity tab, you start seeing all these information messages, health metrics, and many other messages that QRadar needs these to operate and to monitor itself well, and they don't count for your EPS. You get license kit back on those. But they're annoying. I don't need to see these when I'm doing an investigation. One way of getting these things put behind is actually pausing the collection, and then you right click into every one of those events and say filter on event is not. Then you save that search and all that. But there are many of them, and which of them? There's a warning here. There are, if we go onto the next page, we're going to see some health metrics and others. So there is a better way of actually doing this, and I learned this from my friend Rob Davis from Dallas. If you go under the admin tab, under log source group, you're actually going to see that those type of messages are shown in here, right? So in order to hide them, what you need to do is create a new log source group. Let's call this one QRadar system logs. And once you have that created, what you do is that you go to where all these logs are, you double click into every one of these. We bring these down here, and you assign it to that log source group that you just created, right? Assign groups, and you need to do this for each and every one of those. But believe me, you won't have to ever do this again. So clicking that. I'm going to pause the video until I click on the other 5. Here's the last one. Oops. Now, all those are assigned to this QRadar system log. Good. Now, all you need to do is when you go to the log activity tab, you're going to add a filter in which you say that the log source group does not equal to QRadar system logs, and we have that filter. In fact, if we go here real time, we will not see those again. Now we can, in order not to do this every time, it's strongly recommended that you go here into save criteria, and you're going to put this no system logs, whatever name you want to give it, and you're gonna, the important thing is here, click this as set as the default. So every time you click onto the log activity tab, this is the search that is going to be selected. So every time you click here, you're going to have that search, and you will not see those log messages again, because you don't need them when you are doing your investigation. Thanks to Rob Davis for providing this tip to us.